Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2017 Kawasaki EX300 Ninja Winter Edition. This motorcycle has just under 1,400 miles on it and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you today. So this bike looks really clean. It's had a very minor tip over on the left hand side. Tires are still in decent shape, got some miles left on them. So they've added frame sliders to it, an aftermarket pipe, and this bike comes with only a passenger seat cowl. We didn't get a passenger seat with it. So on the left side, really the biggest thing I've noticed is there's a little bend in the frame slider here, as well as the shifter, which we are going to replace. But like I said, very minor, but has tipped over on the left. And as you can see, this is also a bike that comes with ABS. $1,355 is what's on it. This 2017 Kawasaki EX300 Ninja Winter Edition is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it's been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.